I have spent over $10,000 on reps in the past 5 years, and in this video I'll be going over the best 5 websites that I personally use to purchase reps from. By the end, you'll know how to get any shoes, clothes, accessories, literally anything you can think of, but for the best price possible. Most creators get paid to lie on these videos, but all of these are my honest opinion, and I'm doing this for completely free, so make sure to leave a like. And before you guys ask, yes, all of these items are one-to-one in trusted places by reps, and yes, they all ship to pretty much every country. I also want to let y'all know I'm having a huge giveaway in my Discord server once it reaches 1,000 members, so make sure to join that. Now let's get right into it. In no specific order, coming in at number 5 is going to be USFans. To be honest, I've gotten 90% of my things here. I'll literally show a clip on screen now of the haul I got in this week. It's probably over 200 items, which is crazy, but if this video gets 100 likes, I'll make videos showing you guys the quality of everything. USFans is one of my favorites because of the variety of items you can get, and to be honest, it's at the best price possible. You can get anything from shoes to clothes to AirPods, watches, room decor to even cologne. Literally everything you can think of, and it's all the best quality for the cheapest price. The only bad thing about USFans is that it's pretty hard to find sellers that sell good quality items. There's a lot of sellers that sell low quality, bad items that are just not worth the price. But I actually made a completely free USFans spreadsheet for you guys to look through and purchase items from. You can find it in the description of this video and in my Discord. Every item in the spreadsheet I either personally purchased in the past or saw in-hand reviews from other people who said it was good quality. I have a ton of categories and thousands of items in here and still add 200 new unique items to it every single day. So make sure to bookmark it or join the Discord. The spreadsheet is fully built into the Discord server as well, and to be honest, it's just so much more organized and both mobile and desktop friendly. I personally like it a lot more than the web browser version, so make sure to join that. And before I show you guys how to purchase from USFans, please comment below if you like the web browser spreadsheet or the Discord spreadsheet more. I read and respond to every comment, and I want to make sure the Discord is the best it can be for you guys. So as you can see, we're in the Discord spreadsheet here, and you can see we have all of these categories. You can find new items that are posted here, and you can sign up with this link here or the one in the description for $130 off in shipping coupons. It does support me a little bit, but it mostly benefits you, so make sure to sign up with that. But we have a ton of items on here, so browse through it or search up here. Once you found an item you want, just click this button here and click visit, and you will be brought here. Then just select your color and size, then click add to cart. As you can see, it says this hoodie is only $11, but that is not the final price yet. If I were to buy this one, it would first have to get shipped to the USFans warehouse. Then they will have to take pictures of it for me to make sure it looks good. If it doesn't look good, I can refund. If it does, I can keep it in my warehouse until I have multiple items to ship, then pay again to ship them all out in one big haul. You can ship it out individually, but it'll cost more than if you were to ship it out with multiple items. I think USFans has the best features, and there is a little bit to learn about it that I just cannot fit into this video, so if you are already sold on this option or want to try it out, make sure to watch this video on my other channel. It'll teach you everything you need to know about USFans, how to make it the cheapest possible, just literally everything you need to know, so make sure to watch that. Coming in at number 4 is going to be DHGate. DHGate is similar to USFans because they pretty much have everything you can think of as well, but it is just a little bit more expensive, and to be honest, the item quality is pretty mid. You can't really get the same quality that you can get on USFans, especially for the same price, but you can get close. You also won't have the QC pictures before it ships to you either. I honestly just think DHGate is better if you want to purchase maybe 1 to 2 items at a time instead of in bulk like USFans. Feel free to try them both out and let me know what you guys think in the comments. But just like USFans, I made a completely free spreadsheet and Discord for the best quality on DHGate as well. I personally bought some of these and they're not that bad, but in all honesty, reps are just getting so good nowadays that it's hard to find flaws. But as you can see, we have a ton of different items here: shoes, tops, bottoms, accessories, electronics, almost anything you can think of. But once you find an item you want, just click the buy button here and click visit site. Sometimes the pictures will be blurry or show no logos, but don't worry, you will still get the item with the logos just how they're supposed to be. When buying from DHGate, always go off the color in the picture, not what it says here. After that, just choose your size, select if you want the box, how many you want, then click buy now. Then just fill in this information here and click save. Then add your payment method and click pay now. Then the item will show up to your doorstep a couple weeks later. Again, all the links and spreadsheets will be in the description below. Coming in at number 3 is going to be Trushoes. I've gotten many shoes from them and literally every single pair turned out perfect quality. I'll show a clip on screen now so you can see the quality of them. This site is a bit different than the other two, and it could be good if you're just trying to get shoes quick without any hassle. The shoes are a bit more expensive versus buying from USFans or DHGate, but it will just be easier to purchase from and you will for sure get the best quality. Looking at their site, they do carry just about every shoe you can think of, and you'd be looking to pay around $160 per shoe. It is about double to triple the price of what you'd pay on USFans or sometimes even DHGate, but if you prefer the convenience and time and want to pay the extra money, this can definitely be a solid choice too. It's just personal preference. But to actually purchase shoes from the site, you can either search for them up here or find them here. For the video, I'll choose Jordan 4s. As you can see, they have every single colorway you can think of. I'll just choose these White Thunders. They do show in-hand pictures of the shoe here, and this is the quality that you can expect. I'll go ahead and choose my size, how many I want, and click add to cart. Then this screen will pop up. Make sure to put in code HAUL20 to get $20 off, which covers almost the entire cost of shipping. Now you have the option to choose regular shipping, which will arrive in 1 to 2 weeks, or fast shipping for an extra $10 for it to come in 1 week. Once you select which one you want, just click next to pay. You can pay with any of these options. They have PayPal, Zelle, Card, Apple Pay, and even Venmo, so they have pretty much every option. Then as you could see, my order only comes to $160 with the coupon code, which is really nice. Then after that, just click place order and the payment screen will pop up. Then after you pay, the shoes will show up to your door a couple weeks later. And remember, all links to everything will be in the description. Next up is going to be Sneakerwade. I've gotten a few pairs from here as well, and they were also perfect quality. I'll show some of their shoes on screen now just so you can see how they look. To be honest, their site is pretty similar to Trushoes. They just have some cheaper prices for specific products or different colorways for certain shoes. As you can see, their site looks pretty much the same as well. They have some shoes here, but to look for a specific shoe, you can either go to these tabs up here or search up here. Once you find the pair you want, just click on it and it's pretty much the same process as before. You can see in-hand pictures right here, then select your size and how many you want and click buy now. Then fill out this information here and click continue. Then make sure to put in the code HAUL15 for $15 off, which is pretty much the whole shipping cost. Then choose your shipping here. I usually choose FedEx to get it faster since it's only $5 more. Then just click continue to payment, and once you pay, they'll show up to your door 1 week later. Lastly, the fifth site is going to be H Luxury. I've gotten quite a few shoes from here as well, and to be honest, they were some of the highest quality shoes I've seen. I'll show them on screen now. H Luxury does have better prices than both Trushoes and Sneakerwade, but still a little bit more than what USFans or DHGate would cost. The only way you can purchase from them is through WhatsApp. They do have a photo gallery here, the link will be in the description, but you can either browse this page, search up here, or click the menu right next to it and select the brand you're looking for. I'll just choose Jordan 1. Then find the shoe you want. Once you found it, just send him a screenshot of the shoe and ask how much it would cost with shipping to your country. Also, message him coupon code HAULS and he will discount $15 off per pair. He usually has different prices depending on the quality you want to get. Medium quality might be $80, while best quality might be $160. They do accept PayPal, and once you pay, you will receive the shoes about 1 week later. Anyways, that's all for this video. Quick little recap. USFans is the best if you want the best quality items for the cheapest price possible. It just requires a bit of research and is really worth it if you buy a whole haul or in bulk. DHGate is almost the same, but just not as good of quality. It's maybe only better if you want 1 or 2 items and don't care about the quality that much. Trushoes is best if you want it to be effortless, but you're just gonna have to pay the extra price for that. Sneakerwade is best for pretty much the same reason, just whichever website you like more and whichever one carries cheaper shoes in your colorway. H Luxury is best if you want the middle and between. You can choose if you want low or high quality depending on your budget, but unfortunately the only way to contact them is through WhatsApp. But all of these sites were the best out of all the tens and tens of different ones I've tried out. They're all solid options, all have the best quality items, and I made sure to include every single option for you guys. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Also, make sure to join my Discord. We'll be having many giveaways in there, and it's also just a cool place to chill, talk, or ask questions. Besides all of that, thank you guys so much for watching the video.